I have too many hobbies. One of them is photography. As an amateur photographer, I need to do a few simple things. Import raw images from my camera, pick the ones that don't suck, tweak exposure and contrast and shadows a bit, and export JPEGs I can share. That's it, nothing fancy. For years I used Adobe Lightroom for this. Here's their website. Monthly subscription, everything syncs, it just works. I didn't love paying every month, but I didn't think too much about it either. Then I moved over to Linux. There is no Adobe there. The free alternatives are Raw Therapy, which I guess is fine, but I found its interface annoying, and Darktable. Now, Darktable is an interesting piece of software. It's really powerful, but at the same time incredibly complex and confusing. There are tutorials on YouTube that explain how to build a simple workflow for beginners with Darktable. These tutorials are about 1 hour long. My question is, why spend an hour setting up your workflow and then even more hours learning an unfamiliar piece of software if you can build it practically for free in 30 minutes without any programming knowledge? No, really, that's the reality we live in now. Here is my homemade Lightroom clone, written by AI in Python. You can import your images, rate them, adjust sliders, and save your adjustments as a project that you can come back to later. Then finish your work and export edited JPEGs. Completely vibe-coded, using a very affordable DeepSeek V4 Pro model. The whole session costs about 40 cents, and I didn't write a single line of code myself. You might say, yeah, but this is nowhere near as powerful as Adobe Lightroom. That's true, but almost nobody uses all the features of Lightroom. And that's the point of bespoke software. Build only what you need and add features as you go. For example, maybe I want to add frames to my JPEG exports. Instead of looking for tutorials on how to do that in Lightroom or searching for plugins, I can just ask AI to implement this feature for me in my photo editor. Or an easy way to post your photos to Instagram. Just ask AI to integrate the Instagram API and build an interface for adding a description or location. How about cloud syncing? Instead of paying for Creative Cloud, I can use cloud storage I already have, like Dropbox, and ask the model to add photo upload via Dropbox API for backup and sync. The possibilities are endless. We are entering a new amazing era of software development, disruptive but full of opportunities. Now, I should mention something. AI-driven development is not magic. The agent sometimes gets lost in a loop trying to fix the simplest bug, or confidently writes code that looks correct but doesn't actually work. There is a gap between it runs and it ships, and crossing that gap takes some real-world know-how. That's exactly why I'm launching a full Python course for absolute beginners. AI can write a lot of code for you, but the people who get the best results are the ones who understand what the AI is actually doing. My course teaches you exactly that: how to read the code, steer it, catch the mistakes, and build things that actually work. By the end, you will have built this exact photo editor yourself, and you will understand every piece of it. On my Patreon, I shared the source code for this photo editor and other projects, plus behind-the-scenes videos, PDF guides, and tips for getting the most out of AI-assisted development. The link is in the description. Subscribe. See you in the first episode.